Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the problem with the Photos app on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Where coming across a dialog screen error pop-up. This is choose some other files. These files have properties can't be read, so we could not add them. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. In search apps you just need to search for photo. Opens up Microsoft Photos. Click on this three dot icon and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down. Select the repair option. After repair done, now proceed to attempt to open the image again and see if you are still having the problem. If you are, you can come back into these settings and select the reset option guys. If this app isn't working right, we can try reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset. Select the reset option. After getting reset done, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.